Hey guys, Quint 1836 here. Today we're going to be painting up. You've already seen the thumbnail, so you know what it looked like. It was all rusted out. I sanded it down. I welded it to this really factory good tray. We do have this handle. I don't know how good she's going to work. Let's snap to it. Okay, yeah, we'll fix that later. But here's the exciting part, guys. Look at the paint we have. That's just primer gray. The paint we have, red, white, and blue. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah. So, let me go snag up Mr. Jeremy, whose project this is. I'm doing it for him, but this is his smoker. And we're going to be grilling on it tomorrow, but I got the camera stand, so let's go. Situation update, viewers. My arms are about to break. Oh, yeah. We're good. All right, fellers. Let's so we're gonna, that's the top, so we're gonna do blue top because it's cooler, and red bottom, and then the laces are gonna be white, and so is the bottom, but we're gonna do those last, so then we can actually tape that part up and make it look good. But let's get some here. Lord, I hope it's blue. All right, it is. Whew, that's like, it's really blue. Oh yeah. Oh man, dude. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is gonna look good. It's a little hard to see because the primer gray, but I'll do my best. Oh yeah, let me get you over here so you got more of an angle, and I'll do this get you magoo so you're level. There you go. I don't have time lapse on my phone, sorry viewers. Get over there. Yeah. All right, while the blue's kind of drying, I'm gonna do 2 coats. I'm gonna work on the red. Oh yeah, she's gonna be good, viewers. I ain't kidding you. Do you still see that? Oh yeah. Oh man, dude. Let's move it over here. I'm gonna get you resituated. That way you can enjoy the full experience. Well, I didn't quite mean that the way it sounded, but you get the idea. Just if you had to turn that wrong, then something wrong with you. Of course, I did too, so I don't know what the plan is. Oh man, that looks so good. It probably doesn't look too good on camera. Ooh, probably because you can't see anything. Well, now it'll start to look good because you're on this side now. This video is dedicated to my friend Max at Possum Holler Garage. He is an artist. He restores old vintage cars and trucks for people. I say he's an artist because what he does is truly art. Go check out his YouTube channel, Possum Holler Garage. Link in the description. Okay, I'm gonna clean up what I just said. This looks so good. I don't know if you can quite, it's so bright out here I can't see the my camera, but candy apple red and whatever type of blue, and then this is the handle I just did. It's gonna be that type of white. What we're gonna do is, because that's gonna be white, and then the laces, like I said, we're gonna let this dry. I painted all over so I could get right up to it, but then we're gonna tape in between there, get the laces, get that, and the laces on that side. And I painted the latches on this side, and then the receiving end on that side, so it'll be red and blue overlapping. It's gonna look really cool. This is gonna be some of my best work. I've just been pacing back and forth looking at it saying, dude, I've never said dude so many times in my whole life. I don't really like that word, but dude, that looks so cool. Well, I'm waiting on the paint to dry, the really good looking paint to dry. Let me show you the next project I'm gonna be doing. I don't know if it's gonna be on Quint's garage or just kind of whatever. I'm gonna be restoring this old Red Flyer wagon. It does have both axles, it has that one and that one. I'm gonna be taking it back to its original red color, sanding it down, painting the wheels white. But yeah, that's gonna be the next project, and I have all the spare metal I need for handles and whatnot, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be, I don't know, a couple weeks or so. For the mower that I restored, this was the parts mower. Took quite a bit of stuff from it. This was the donor mower. Motor was seized. Okay, when I pulled the spark plug, a bunch of water came out. So I know I couldn't use, I had to go scavenging through my neighbor's parts shed to get the connecting rod, the new piston, the crankshaft, the camshaft, and the valves that I needed to redo that motor. But that was the donor of the pull cord, the carburetor, which was actually fine, the muffler, stuff like that. Oh, please dry. And what's up with it not being sunny today? I mean, I ain't complaining, but, well, I am a little bit, but I kind of do like them. Never mind. Situation update, viewers. There's your update. All right, let's get the reaction of the owner of this smoker grill, whatever it's called. Mr. Jeremy, you can come on in and...
All right. Oh, wow, man. That looks good.
Well, it's gonna look better when we paint up the things. And what I thought was I painted the latches red and kind of the receiver blue so they come together at the red and blue.
That looks awesome, man. I can see the end picture. I'm always good at seeing the end picture.
Yeah.
It looks great. Good job, sir.
The only thing I don't want to have happen as soon as we put the heat on it, but it says resistant up to 900 degrees. Ain't no way some fire hit 900 degrees.
That's why we're doing this one on there. The primer, it's 500 degrees. I mean, usual pits get to around 500 degrees.
Yeah. Well,